Hello everyone, welcome to our factory. We are Shenzhen Pushida Electronic Technology Co., Ltd., located in Baoan, Shenzhen. The total area of our company is about 10,000 square meters, and there are more than 300 workers. Here is our reception. Pushida strives to become a PD and GON one-stop charger supplier in the minds of our customers in line with the mission of doing every product well. Here is our showroom, which includes our standard products as well as customers' customized products. We mainly produce PD chargers, car chargers, and adapters. Various certifications are complete. Product certifications are ETL FCC UKCA PSE CBCCC. Here is our R&D department, which is mainly engaged in the development and discussion of new products. In order to meet the needs of the market and cooperate with customers, our company has been continuously developing new products. Here is our SMT workshop. Currently there are only 2 machines, mainly to cooperate with customers for small-scale trial production. Solve the urgent needs of customers. Here is our automated production line that can produce 20,000 finished products per day. Here is our assembly workshop, which mainly has 4 production lines, which can produce 60,000 finished products every day. Here is our aging workshop. All products will undergo 4 hours of full load impact aging here before packaging to ensure the quality of each product. Here is our warehouse, the storage location of finished products and semi-finished products. The warehouse is equipped with dehumidification, constant temperature and anti-static equipment to ensure the electrical properties of electronic materials.